Well, this is an unboxing of the Caravan Mini 2. I was just received this from the online. Let's see how good is this Caravan Mini Hindi 2. Music player with Bluetooth, FM, AM, aux. It costed me around 2000 rupees. It was on sale. The actual price is 2590 and it costed me 2000 rupees. Let me say this. I guess this is the one from where I should open it. This seems to be locked. It is not just a Bluetooth speaker. This is how to tune into FM. This is the user manual. It's in Hindi and it's in English. Okay. Let us keep this aside for a while. This is another user manual. Let's see this afterwards. What else do I get in the boxes? The speaker itself and the micro USB charging cable, not the brick, only the cable. How long is the cable? Let me see. It is approximately 1 meter. Yeah, 1 meter in length. And the speaker seems premium and it's nice. I'm just loving it. Nice. The antenna is nice. Yes, it's very nice. You could have from me in Bluetooth. Sorry,